Benefits of 7 days of honey and garlic on an empty. Garlic is one of the most commonly used natural ingredients in cooking around the world. Its signature flavor combines well with other spices. But more than just being a great ally in the kitchen, the garlic has been prized for centuries. Its medicinal properties can be used to fight inflammation, chronic diseases, and infections. A lot of its benefits come from the content of allicin, an active compound that helps control high cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and other conditions related to the cardiovascular system. It's also used as a treatment for digestion problems, respiratory diseases, and fungal infections. In fact, thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects and antioxidant content, garlic is a great supplement to conventional treatments for arthritis, cancer, and diabetes. Nutrition experts recommend eating it. You can also prepare a remedy with honey, making the lasagna easy to consume and enhancing all of its benefits. In the hope that it will help improve your health and overall well-being, today we want to share all the benefits you'll get when you are 7 days straight for honey and garlic. 1. Improves circulation. The sulfur compounds in garlic, when combined with the benefits of honey, are very good for your circulatory system. Both act to prevent clotting and they strengthen your veins to avoid disorders like thrombosis and varicose veins. 2. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a disease that can cause damage to your whole cardiovascular health. To control it naturally, try consuming honey and garlic on an empty stomach every day. 3. Controls bad cholesterol. The allicin that's released when you crush raw garlic can help cleanse your bloodstream, removing excess cholesterol. It's also a great way to keep your triglyceride levels at bay. 4. Reduces inflammation. Studies have shown that many of the chronic health disorders that cause people to feel inflammation. Both garlic and honey fight inflammation and act as natural painkillers to help with conditions like arthritis, fluid retention, and muscular disorders. 5. Strengthens the immune system. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of honey and garlic are excellent for boosting your immune system. Both of them improve your body's defenses against viruses, bacteria, and any other type of pathogen. 6. Fights cough. Whether your cough comes from a bacterial infection or a virus, there is nothing better than a simple syrup made with honey and crushed garlic. It calms the irritation you feel and also acts as an expectorant to stimulate the removal of phlegm. 7. Speeds your recovery from colds and the flu. All cold and flu symptoms can be temporarily suspended with continuous consumption of this remedy. It helps fight viruses and stimulates your body of antibodies that are responsible for protecting your airways. How do you make this natural honey and garlic remedy? To get all of the benefits, we can make 100% natural amide added sugars. Ingredients: 1 cup of honey, 335 grams, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 glass jar with a lid. Preparation: chop the garlic clove in small pieces, or press it using a garlic press. Pour the honey in the glass jar and stir in the garlic. Close the lid and store in a dark place for a week. After this time, you'll have a rich, healthy syrup. How to take it: try a tablespoon before breakfast, either by itself or diluted in some warm water. Consume this day for 7 days in a row, wait a couple of weeks, and repeat. Store the honey and garlic at room temperature so it does not start to crystallize. Note that the effects of this remedy will vary from their day-to-day habits. Absolutely nothing will change if you're going to have a diet that's high in saturated fats, sugars, and other unhealthy